Today, in this video, we are going to be talking about how you can build your own AI agent within 10 minutes. So the platform that I am using is called N8N. Now, there are a lot of platforms out there that allows you to build different agents, but just for this video, I'll be using N8N. And what you need to do is you need to go to N8N.io, just go and sign in for a free account. They have 2 weeks for free, and from there you will go onto a page which actually looks something like this. Let me just briefly go through what is it here that you guys need to take note of. First of all, you have your workflows here. Then again, all the different workflows that you guys have created would appear here. And what you need to do is you go ahead and press create workflow. Once you create this workflow, your page will look something like this. So over here on the top left, I'm able to rename my workflow. Let's just say demo AI agent. And once I press enter, I'm able to save the workflow, and this workflow will be saved according to that name. Over in the middle, you're able to see the editor, execution, and evaluations button. Let's not worry about evaluations first. Let's talk about editor and executions. Editor is this main page or this canvas which allows you to make your craft, make your AI agent or whatever automation that you want to build. So over here you can press, let's say you add your first step, you can add different triggers. Let's say you want to add other nodes. Let's just say we press this button and we say AI agent. Let's execute here. Let's delete this. Boom. So from here, let's say we want to add a Google Sheet. There are so many different functions. You guys just have to check it out. But these individual things are called nodes, and many different nodes create a workflow. And every time you execute something, of course you would have a log to kind of check, okay, how did the execution went. That's where you find all the history of the log would be stored at this executions tab. And over here, there's also the save button. So N8N doesn't allow you to auto-save. What you guys have to do is very important, is to click save. Every time you guys are sure that this workflow is working, you want to save your progress, very important, click save here. On this side, you have also the button that allows you to duplicate, download, you want to import other, let's say workflows or files, and other settings as well. That's where you guys are able to find it. And over here on the right, you guys will be able to find the open nodes panel, which is very important, which is where we get all the different nodes. That's how you're able to build your own AI agent, all from here. And if you guys want to add like notes for your own self or people to see, you guys can add a sticky note. Just have to click that button here. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm gonna delete everything and let's start from scratch. So first thing we need is actually a trigger button. Why is it a trigger button? Because the workflows need to know when is it that you are supposed to trigger. That means under what condition. It can be, there are a lot of different types of triggers. It can be, let's say, if every time a Google Sheet receives a new update or a new row, it triggers that workflow. That's just one case example. Of course, there are a lot of examples, but for now, today, in this workflow build, I'm just going to go with a chat trigger. So a chat trigger mimics any chat interface. It can be a WhatsApp chat trigger, it can be a Telegram chat trigger, but this chat trigger node that I just opened is actually based within N8N. And why I use this is easier for us to debug, it's easier for us to do demos instead of plugging in a WhatsApp, because once you have everything set up, plugging in into WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram or whatever platforms you guys want to use, that is the easy part. The hard part is getting the AI agent to behave how you want it to be, and today we're getting right into it. So after you have this chat message received trigger, what you need to do is go on and search AI agent. So over here, AI agent, click the chat model. Now this is what the LLM that is connected to the AI agent. Then again, there are so many LLMs, there's no right or wrong answer which LLM you guys should choose, but for me, I'm just going to go with OpenAI chat model. And over here, you guys are using a new account, credentials would be empty. So again, what you guys have to do, just have to go to platform OpenAI to create an account, get your credentials from there, or if you guys want to use other free ones, you guys can use OpenRouter. You guys can go and check that out. And I'm just going to connect OpenAI chat model. Memory over here, I'm just going to go with a simple memory. context window length, let's just go with 10. That is simple enough for us to do. And over tools here, there are many different tools which we can use. I'm just gonna type in Google Sheets for here. Okay, once you open this Google Sheet 2, you guys will be able to see there are a lot of different settings. Most important here, the operation is to append row. Append row, which means it creates a new row every time an event has happened or occurred. Have connected to your Google Sheet credential, you guys will be able to see the different types of Google Sheet that's here. I'm just going to click Huifu Demo right here, and from the sheet, just going to create Sheet 1. So we have tool number 1 ready. Number 2, we need a Google Calendar tool. So again, over here, there are different operations that we are able to do. For this tutorial, we'll be using create option and a get option. So from the calendar, I'm just going to create a search for my calendar that's connected. And from the start and end time, there's actually a button here which allows me to let the model define this parameter, which is I let the AI agent automatically define this parameter. I'm just going to click on that for both the start and end time. And over here, I need another tool, which is the same thing, Google Calendar tool. But over here, instead of create, I'll go with get many. And from here, same thing, I go to my calendar. And again, I let the AI model define the before and after. All right, let's go ahead and save this first. And let's go on over to the AI agent setting. So over at the AI agent setting, we have our prompt, which is the user message, which is connected to the chat trigger input. That is default. We don't need to worry about that. But over at the option, a very important thing is we need to tell the AI agent what to do. That's why you hear, what is your system prompt? I believe many of you have heard like, oh, system prompt, it's very important how you make your AI agent. This is where we make the system prompt. So by default, NAN says that you are a helpful assistant. That is a valid prompt. Is it a good prompt? Not necessarily. Why? It is because it's too general, it's too vague. A good system prompt would actually tell the AI agent very specifically what is the AI agent supposed to do, the tools it has, and the different examples of conversations that the AI agent is supposed to give. ChatGPT has given us a very detailed prompt, and I'm just going to briefly go through what ChatGPT has given us. First of all, it gives us the name, the role, the main system prompt, the primary goals of the AI agent, the tonality and style, the lead capture flow, which means what is the workflow, how is the AI agent supposed to capture leads, gives us the data fields to capture, which includes the name, the phone, the email, different things, example conversations, and post-booking action. Actually go ahead and copy this and paste it over here. Yeah, there you have it. You have a very detailed system prompt. But for this tutorial, I already have a predefined system prompt which I'm gonna use. The difference is that my system prompt is a bit more customized towards my dental clinic scenario, and it specifically tells the AI agent that I have these 3 tools connected. And before that, I'm just gonna go ahead and press the settings here and change my time zone. Currently its default is Europe, Berlin, but I can always change that to, let's say, Asia, Kuala Lumpur. Save it. There we go. Alright, now let's start. Over here, we can press open chat and say hello. From here, you guys are able to see that there are green lines that goes through this workflow. That means that actually those information will pass within those nodes, and you are able to tell which node has been activated. So from here, we are able to see the chat message that says, hello, welcome to our dental clinic. How can I assist you today? Do you need to make an appointment? Let's just go with yes. Now, it asks for my name, my phone number, email, and asks me for the type of dental service that I would like. And also asks me for my scheduled appointment time. So it's asking me technically many questions, but I'm just going to go ahead with what any normal customer would do. I'm just going to give my name or email, or just say something random. I just said, okay, my teeth hurts. What does it reply? It says, sorry to hear that you're in pain. For any dental it's best to consult directly with our dentist during appointment. Okay, that sounds fair. To help you quickly, may I schedule an appointment for you? So right, so now I'm sold. Let's do an appointment. Let's do an appointment for a dental checkup. Thank you. Please provide me with your name, phone number, and email. And for the dental checkup appointment, our clinic hours are open from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So the AI agent automatically knows your business hours and is able to tell the customer that, oh, okay, if you want to book for Saturday, Sunday, sorry, we're not available. So I'm just going to go with name Ken, let's say phone number 012-3456-789, and my email, I'm just going to type in my email so you guys can see, gmail.com, and preferred date and I haven't given them a preferred date and time yet. So it addresses me by my name. Thank you, Ken. Could you please tell me your preferred date and time? Now, today is Sunday. I'm just going to go with Tuesday, let's just say tomorrow, 3 p.m. Now, keep in mind, today is Sunday, the 2nd of November. Let's see if it's able to capture my data correctly. I didn't specify a date. I just told it that, oh, okay, tomorrow 3 p.m. You say tomorrow 3 p.m., your dental appointment is confirmed for tomorrow 3 p.m. Receive a confirmation email shortly. If you need any further assistance, have a great day. Okay, so it said it actually scheduled an appointment. Now let's go over to our calendar. Let's see. So I'm able to see, oh wait, it actually created an event, but over here it shows no title. Why? It's actually because over at our Google Calendar settings, what we actually need to do an extra step is we have to go down, scroll down here to add field, and we have to add in the, let's say we can add a summary, and we can even add the description of the booking. And over here, same thing, I'm just going to let the model define this parameter, but I'm just going to add in a description that says name of customer, and over here description, name of customer, required service. Alright, I'm just going to save it. Let's try it again. Okay, thank you. It asked me for the hours again. I'm going to say tomorrow 3 p.m. again. Let's see if it allows me to create a booking there. He said, oh, okay, I see you already have an appointment scheduled for tomorrow 3 p.m. Would you like me to check for another available slot? So that means it automatically knows that, oh, you already made an appointment for tomorrow 3 p.m. Doesn't allow me to double book. Alright, let's just say go for 2 p.m. then. Okay, tomorrow 2 p.m. slot is available. Yes. Should I book your dental checkup appointment for 2 p.m.? Absolutely, yes. There we go. We see there is a Ken dental checkup for 2 p.m. created. Well, there you have it. That's how you can create an AI agent in 10 minutes.